Hey guys, what's going on? Chris here from Maxwell Advanced. Once again with another install guide. Today we're going to be putting the Equinox Cummerbund on the Cry SPC. Let's get right into it. Alright, so as you can see, just like the JPC, you're going to be routing the cummerbund through the slots on the back meant for the SPC cummerbund, which is a 2-band on the SPC. As you've seen right here, you just want to go ahead and take the cummerbund as such, put them through holes, and then you're going to push them through the outer webbing or cut up webbing holes outside like so. So that way it lays on top. Go ahead and do the same to the other side. So we'll go right there. Like so, put them through holes. Like that. Go ahead and size it to the way you want it. And we're going to take our 2 tabs right here and put them in. Alright, so if you've seen our other install videos or previous versions of our install guides in our website, you do know that the kit will come with some shot cord, 2 pieces of them to be exact. This is some pre-cut up one we're going to be using for this one. As we do say all the time, it really is truly up to you how you route the shot cord in this, but the recommended method that we like to show off is having 1 piece of shot cord per each wing or each cover button. So we go and route them through the molly or the webbing, as you can see right here in the SPC. That to adhere to the cummerbund. So that being said, let's go and get right into it. So we'll start with one side. The way I like to do it is go ahead and just knot off a piece like so. So we'll knot off a piece like this. So, and tighten it up like so. Route it through. Just knot it off like so. Awesome. All right, and make sure you have some snips or scissors and a lighter with you to cut off the excess. You want this fraying shot cord going around everywhere, and so cut that and burn the end. And leave some notable excess here, so that way if you ever need to tighten this down or it ever gets undone, you have something to pull on. And we'll go ahead and do the same on this side as well. Burn that end, make sure everything's good to go. And like that, your cummerbund is installed under SPC. You can go and tighten this down or adjust it as need be. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit us up in the comments below, as well as hit up our support team at support@axleadvance.com. As always, you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.